Hello, welcome to my channel. Learn to speak French with me. Apprends parler français avec moi. So, the first sentence we're going to learn today is how do we say my name is? In French, it's more like I call myself because the word appeler is to call. So here we have the word je, which is I. So I call myself in French is je m'appelle. Please repeat along with me. Je m'appelle. So we have two names here, which are typically French. So we have one name, which is Beatrice. Je m'appelle Beatrice. And Pierre. Pierre is basically Peter in English. So it's Je m'appelle Pierre. Je m'appelle Beatrice. Let's look at different points of views. So we've already learned this, but we're just going to quickly revise them once again. So I is je, you is tu, he or she is il, elle, and in the plural forms, when we say us, it's nous, and when we say you, it's vous, and when we say they, it's il or elle. Although it's with the S, we pronounce them as il and elle. And some other words that we've learned so far are to speak is parler, and the word beautiful for a man is beau, and for a woman is belle, and the word ready is prêt, and me is moi, and you is toi. So do subscribe, like, share, and comment on this channel and on the videos. Let me know what you think. It's basically designed to help people who are real beginners learning to speak French, and it's just to learn to speak basic French. And before we finish this video, we're going to revise some sentences that we've already learned in the past. So try and just repeat along with me. Comment parler français? How to speak French? I can speak French. Je peux parler français. Je voudrais un kilo de tomates. I would like a kilogram of tomato. And that brings us to the end of this video. Hope to see you soon in my next video. À bientôt!